Today we're gonna see how to buy Bitcoin on Moomoo. Firstly, before you can trade crypto, you need to activate this feature. Go to cryptocurrency page, tap Trade, then select Crypto, then tap Next. Tap Start Now to submit your application. The processing time is 3 to 5 minutes. Currently, Moomoo SG only allows crypto trading for selected users under 70 years old with a valid Singapore address or nationality. Now, go to Accounts, Deposits, select Crypto Account as the deposit account. Choose your preferred currency, then select the transfer method, then start the deposit process. Now, open the detailed quotes page, tap Trade, and then enter the cryptocurrency symbol. Choose the amount you want to buy or sell and confirm your trade, then execute it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.